Today, we are going to show you how to make a half double crochet stitch. To make a half double crochet stitch, we'll need to make a loop and slip stitch to have a base. So as you can see here, I'm creating my loop and then I'll be putting my hook through. Once your loop is tightened on the hook, you're now ready to start your chain stitch by wrapping the yarn around the hook and pulling through the current loop. You're going to do this as many times as you want till you have your desired length. Once you have your chain stitched to its desired length, we are now going to start our half double crochet stitch. To do so, you're going to wrap the yarn around your hook and begin your stitch in the second chain away from your hook. You'll insert your hook into that chain, wrap the yarn around your hook again, and pull that strand through. You'll now have 3 strands on your hook. And for our final step, you'll wrap a strand around your hook and pull all the way through all the strands. And you now have your first half double crochet stitch. When continuing half double crochet stitches, there is no more need to skip any more chains. You're welcome to use the next chain available. And that is how you do a half double crochet stitch. Thank you for watching.